12:15?
12:13.
12:13. We just got to
McAfee Knob parking area.
Yes, we just got here and it is packed. Everybody had the same idea. So
we're unique just like everyone else.
We are going to sleep for about 4 hours and start hiking around 4:30 so we can get to the knob for sunrise. I think everyone else will as well. So this is good night for now, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is 10 to 4. Cranky woke up the entire parking lot by setting off the car alarm. We were woken up. Our alarm was the sound of dogs barking on a 4x4 passing by. And then in turn, he opened the car and the car alarm started. It is chilly. I slept maybe 3 hours, which is more than I thought I would. I don't think Greggy slept any. He said I snored. 5-hour energy downed. 35 miles to go. Now. This is starting around 4:15 this morning. I need quiet in the morning, and Cranky well knows this. So I am more awake. We just had an amazing sunrise at McAfee Knob. Speechless, absolutely speechless. But when we got up there, we were the first hikers to get there for dawn. There were people staying up there, but we were awestruck. And all of a sudden, I hear a rustling in the bushes behind us, and naturally, I thought it was a bear. So I start making noise. I tell John to get his freaking put his flashlight on.
All the right things.
I did all the right things. Turns out, two guys were cowboy camping off the trail. I felt so bad because I think I woke them up. Sorry, guys. Anywho, we left a lot of people up there, and we are now making our way to Tinker Cliffs, which is the next of the big three in Virginia. Less than 5 miles to go for that, so we will see you later. Okay, so we just stopped for breakfast. We were about a mile and a half away from Tinker Cliffs. Looking at how we feel and our water situation, it's looking like we'll probably be turning around at Tinker and doing the day hike and doing the big free that way. There is one more water source before, if we were to do the whole loop. Don't even know if that has water because all the water sources here on the AT have kind of dried up. So a little bit of a, not so much dire, but slightly concerning situation. So we're gonna eat, probably go to Tinker, and then just turn around, do 9 miles back to the car. So we will update you in a bit. We made it to Tinker Cliff, and the view is spectacular.
It's alright.
That right there is McAfee Knob, and we just did 5 miles going from there and just hiking that ridge line up to here.
Now.
We're just about at the end of the fire road. As you can see, we are here. Right here. We're there. So this morning in the dark, our difficulty on the AT was moderate to strenuous, and it actually felt awesome.
Yes, it felt really, really good to get out of here.
But here on the fire road, it's a little bit monotonous.
Much faster.
All you need is a skull, but you have your phone instead. Shakespeare.
Oh, yes.
No. Do what you just did with the phone. There we go.